Okay, so this is Terra Ventus Ignis as our group, and I'm Danny Ishimori, and my job is mostly primarily an architect. I also help with the little things that need to be worked on, as in what all of us do, like go down to the system, work on the system, take care of the plants. Also, I also help with anything else that they need help with.
Hi, my name's Cole Jamila, and my role in the group is the contractor and the engineer. As contractor, my job is to maintain the group and make sure everyone is working.
Hello, my name is Chad Sonoy and I'm the scientist in this group. My job is to make sure that the plants are going well in the system and to make sure that the pH and the TDS are in the correct range.
Hello, my name is Noah Nakasone. I'm the culinary pro in our group. I take care of the cooking and the plating of our dish.
Hi, my name is Max Kimball. I'm the documentarian. I take most of the digital videos and take photos.
This is a time lapse of our hydroponic system. As you can see, the plants have progressed all the way from seedlings to full-grown plants. This is our hydroponic system. Hydroponics will help food security. If our ports were to shut down right now, we would have about 3 days worth of food left on our wall. Hydroponics is also very sustainable because if we can grow our own food, then we won't need to rely on other places like the supermarket.
At KCC, to work on our skills, we had to cook many dishes such as chicken parmesan, we had to make pasta, and many other dishes that involve chicken. The chefs there taught us a lot, like cooking, cutting, and how to plate the meals that we make. And we also learned about different stuff other than cooking, like teamwork, and how to push through our mistakes that we made while cooking. People that helped us were Mr. Leong and Chef Matt. Mr. Leong helped us with the nutritional value of our meals and how to make a meal taste a certain way. Chef Matt helped us with cutting and cooking and the basic skills needed for cooking.
This is our first dish. As you can see, it is very messy and barely plated at all.
Our dish is vegetables and chicken in the middle with red bell peppers around, holding it in. Our other idea is yellow bell peppers with vegetables and chicken in the middle with broccoli standing up with green onions cut super thinly to look like grass. That dish is supposed to look more like a mural than food.
For the dry run of the competition, we had to work on our stir-fry dish and being able to complete it in the hour that was given. Max worked on the vegetables, Cole worked on the rice pilaf, and me and Chaz worked on the chicken and the marinade. For the judges' score at the end of our mock competition, for flavor we got a 4, for plating we got a 2, and for doneness we got a 3.5.
For our plating, we decided to put a scoop of rice in the middle and top that with garnishes. What we did with the stir fry was surround the rice. Although it looked sort of okay, we did have a hard time with it because stir fry is just a hard thing to plate.
Before we built our hydroponic system, we went on many different field trips, such as to Maury's garden to learn about the different hydroponic systems and to the Lo'i to learn about sustainability. In the process of building our hydroponic system, we needed to go to Home Depot to buy all of our supplies. We needed to stay under a $200 budget and plan out all of the things we needed to buy.
This is our foam system that we made. It shows how we're going to make our system and what sizes we are going to use. When we built our system, we learned how to problem solve, like when we had limited supplies.
During our build process, we learned how to use many tools.
As a group, we had to acquire some traits, like communication and cooperation, because building is on the unsafer side.
At this point, we're almost done with building our system. We put in the pipes and the tubes that are required to push the water through the entire system. And then this is when we are pretty much finished and we put in some of the plants that we have grown.
These are the plants that we chose to grow in our system. We chose them because they could grow in Hawaii and they would taste good in our recipe.
After we researched the plants, we planted seedlings into nutrient boxes, which we will soon move into the system. After it's moved into the system, every group member will have tasks to harvest, put nutrients, and test the TDS.
These are some of the foods that we have produced from our hydroponic system.
This took us about 4 weeks to produce, and when we were done, we ended up with a fully functional hydroponic system.
Thanks
for watching.